Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to take a quick look at the LuminAID PackLite Titan 2-in-1 phone charger. And LuminAID sent us this for the review. So here it is. This is really neat. What it is, it's a portable lantern that's charged by the sun, or you can charge it inside with micro USB, and it will give you a nice little light, and it will recharge your devices while you're outside. Okay, so let's take a look at what's inside the bag. All right, here it is. All right. Okay. It comes with a micro USB cord so you can charge it. Now, if you charge it inside, it charges up a little more quickly, but you can also charge it in the sun, and it will charge up within about 16 to 20 hours of direct sunlight. All right, so it comes with directions. And this orange strap, actually, it holds it together so it packs and folds up nice and tight, but it's also a holder for your lantern so you can hang it up. So to open it up, you need to make sure this thing is open on the bottom, and then pull on it, give it a twist, and there it goes. So then you close this up, and it's a nice little box. So this is your lantern. So it's got some controls up here on the top. This is the button that turns on the light, so we'll turn it on. And it works in both red and white. Okay, so let's see the Titan in action. Turn it on. It's a pretty bright light. You can change the intensity. You can even make it flash. You can also change it to red. Flashing red. And then you can really light up your whole area. So that's the lantern. And the other thing is that it charges up your devices. So right here, there's a little port, and you can see it's got the micro USB on the top. That's to charge up the LuminAID. And then over here is where you can plug in your charger. So you just plug in your charger here. And then what you want to do is make sure that the light's off before you charge it. And then you can check the battery level with this little red button over here. And so right now it's fully charged. It's got 4 little green bars there. So what you want to make sure you do is plug in your phone or your tablet or your camera, whatever you want to charge. Plug that in, then push this little button over here and it will charge up for you. And it's got a really powerful charger on it. It's actually 4,000 milliamps. So that's really strong charging, and it should charge your devices pretty quickly. And the neatest thing about this is that you don't need any kind of power to charge it. You can just put it out in the sun. And you can see right now we're outside, and it's actually getting closer to the evening, and it's a little overcast, but it's still charging. You can see this red light here. It's still getting charged. So this is a really great solar rechargeable light, and it's great for camping or other outdoor activities, or even just as an emergency lantern in case your power goes out. So that's it. That is the LuminAID PackLite Titan 2-in-1 charger. Thank you.